Welcome to Vadu TV. Now, earlier I introduced this amazing platform to you, but today I'm going to introduce you a very important feature and also tell you how to use it. But before that, I want to tell you an old story. Now, for that, we'll have to switch to black and white. So, can we please switch to black and white? Right. So, this story is about a person, that is me, sadly, who wants to import his YouTube videos into his video platform. But how does he do that? He has to download the YouTube video again, save it on his hard disk, and then re-upload it and wait for the upload to finish. But that's right, you don't have to do that and you don't have to live through that misery. So can we switch to color please? We at Vadu TV have introduced an import function for you. Now this function allows you to import your YouTube videos, Google Drive videos, Amazon S3 videos, Vimeo videos with one click and a URL. That's it. That's all you need to do, right? Too good to be true? Let me show you how to do it. Let's go. Hey guys, like I told you, we at Vadu TV have moved on into the new age and we directly allow you to import your videos from various services. Now, I am going to show you how you can do that on your own Vadu account. For that, first you'll need to sign up on Vadu TV. So, if you haven't yet signed up, click on the link given down below in the description, or you can search for Vadu TV here and you'll get the page directly. Now, as you can see here, signing up is free, and that is actually free. There's no gatekeeping on the features. You can use every feature for free. So that is something that we proud ourselves in, right? But I already have an account, so let's get logged in so that I can show you the rest of the process. As you can see, I have an untitled project here. Let's click on that. So there's no name and there's no video that has been added. So let me add a video now. So once I click on add video, you're going to see these various options, right? First is upload new. Here you can choose the file from your computer and upload it. This was the old age way, but we also have this way, which is the choose import from. So here you can actually import from various services by just putting in the URL, right? And this is something that I'm going to talk about in my upcoming videos, so make sure you've subscribed. And this is especially important for companies, entrepreneurs and marketers, because this is a crazy good tool. But we are going to talk about this later, so make sure you have subscribed for that. And now let's continue to import our video from YouTube. So here you can see I've already gone to our channel and I've pinned that tab. So let's go to the channel. Now this is the video that I would want to import, right? So here let's import this video. All I have to do is just copy the URL from here, right? And I'm going to put the URL here and click on import. Now let the API, the system, do its job, right? And within a few seconds, as you can see, my video is imported. Now, do you think the upload would have taken this less of a time? I don't think so. That's right. So this is what I'm talking about. This is the new age I'm talking about. As a content creator, having to constantly upload and waste your internet bandwidth is not something we want you to do. Like I told you, we do care for you, so that is why we have given you this feature, and this is a crazy feature. So as you can see here, the video is fully imported and you don't need to do anything, right? So now let's get back to the studio and talk a bit more about this feature. So now that you saw how simple it is to actually import your videos, let me tell you why it's important. It's important for all those people who are working on limited bandwidth, all those people who have an extensive library on other platforms that all they need to do is just import. That's right. And we at Vadu TV told you we want you to grow. We don't want you wasting your time waiting for the uploads to finish, facing some errors. We will do it for you while you take a cup of coffee or take some rest. At the end, you do work hard a lot, right? So for that, we have introduced this feature and I hope you will take the full advantage of it. And if you have yet not signed up, I mean, come on, you saw how easy it is. All you need to do is click the link down in the description, get started, and we'll do the rest for you. I'll see you at Vadu TV and I hope you see me too. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you. Signing off.